It's just really exciting to be part of a transformational project.
A lot of time put into it, so I guess proud to be working on such a large project.
So proud of everything that we've done on the project is amazing.
I'm most proud of probably being in the biggest project in Brisbane at the moment. But from the foreman to the labourers to traffic control, everyone sort of helps out every single day.
Whether you're in admin, finance, if you're an engineer or a construction worker, I think we all wouldn't work without any of us.
Be proud to show the kids when we drive past where I work.
We make things happen.
Coming to work and achieving everything that they throw at us during the day.
I'm most proud of being able to engage with this whole site. It's such a big project and I'm glad to be in it.
Being able to come to work and really enjoy it.
I'm really proud that I can say that I was part of something like this. So hopefully I get to turn around in 5 years' time or whenever it is and say that I was part of that and I helped, build it.